Hey guys, welcome back to J-Spot and welcome back to my healthy natural hair series. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this twist out. This is just the part where I twist it, but I will be showing you how it is at the end, how it's all nice and big and voluminous. Hopefully it comes out well, as I will be showing you not tomorrow, but a day after tomorrow. I'll be taking it out and showing you what I do to get this look. And you're probably like, what look? But this look. This is honestly like the easiest protective style to do for myself. Usually if I do twists as a protective styles, I'll do them tinier, like mini twists, and keep them in for 2 weeks at least. But in this video I am doing a twist out. Now I have many ways of doing my twist outs. Sometimes I do it on dry hair or like stretched hair. I'll do it on blow dried hair, but that's rare. And I'll do it on wet hair. And so today I did it on wet hair because I just felt like it was the easiest to relate to, as many people like to do twist outs right after they wash their hair, just to get like their hair done with, you know. But honestly I think I like it better with wet hair because when I take it out, I just see more shine and it's just more voluminous and just, I don't know, I just feel like it's a more natural look. Whereas if I blow dried it, my ends won't twist up like this. Like they may, like if I just really twirl it, but by the time I take it out it's more frizz, and I don't know, I just like this style better. It is short when you do it on wet hair, but there's many ways to stretch your hair, and honestly you should just try out any style or any technique that you would like to do your twist outs. Now protective styles are important for healthy natural hair, as protective styles literally protect your hair from a lot of manipulation. And now you may say, well, aren't you manipulating your hair because you're putting it into a style? Yes, that is true, but that's the whole point. Like, you have to leave it in for a long period of time. And though a twist out itself is a protective style because you can leave your twist out for a long time and not have to do anything with your hair. Like, you could just put your bonnet out and then leave your hair out and it has like some style and curls to it, you know what I mean? Instead of doing a wash and go, whereas every day you would have to keep wetting your hair. So honestly I think twist outs are like one of my go-to protective styles. So I will either leave it in for like 2 weeks, as I said, with mini twists, or I'll do a twist out and leave the twist out for like at least 4 days, 4 or 5 days. It just depends how good the twist out is, to be honest. The products that I'll be using for this style will be the Blue Magic Anti-Breakage Scalp Formula Hair and Scalp Conditioner. And honestly, this acts as my oil, so usually I will use oils in my twist outs and a curling cream. But this Blue Magic actually is a replacement of using oil. The MIELLE's Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. Now this is honestly my favorite. Like, it's my favorite product. It has some definition, and I always find definition when I use this, and shine. This gives me the most shine. And also I will be using Shine and Jam. Now I used it with my Passion Twist extensions for the first time, and I was thinking that it would be good to use it for my twist out because it will help me get the root better. And so I will try it today for the first time. I honestly think it's gonna do well because it did really well with that hairstyle. It just gave it that hold, and I think I'll need that. As I said again, I'll be doing this 2 days. So yes. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you remember to enter my giveaway. Make this month for natural hair growth and strength and all that. Just follow me along on this series and try out these new things. And yes, I hope you guys enjoy this episode on my twist out. Okay, so I finished this whole section, back sections, everything. I'm going to show you the front. It's a little more dry than the back, so it's definitely going to look more elongated when I do it. Like, can we just talk about the shrinkage? So I'm going to section off side. So I have a little porosity here, so you can still see the product. Not fun. Now I'm going to add some of my MIELLE Pomegranate Honey Souffle to this whole section, even though I'm making 2 sections out of it. Just like that, just like this, like apply that. Okay. And also my Blue Magic. So after I've done that, I'm gonna split it in the middle because this section I'm only using 2, and I'm doing like medium to small twists again. So I'm just gonna take this and pin it up out of my way, and I'm using the Shine Jam. I can definitely tell that the Shine Jam does not really do well with the other product because it makes it feel a little different, but it definitely still holds the root, which is important to me. So I'm going to split it into 2, and then I'm gonna get closer to the root, hold it tight, and then start twisting my hair, overlapping with one another. And while I go through, I like comb it out with my thumb. If you can tell, I like pull it and then I pull it and then I put my finger through and then comb out. So that way I make sure that it's not as knotty, and sometimes it gets knotty while I'm doing it. So and I just twirl it, put more product on it, seal it, and that's it. Put it in my ear. Get the next section that I clipped. This is so hard because I'm using the camera to see this, but the other sections I did in my washroom. So I'm adding my MIELLE pomegranate and my Blue Magic to give my hair moisture, and I'm using a lot because I'm gonna keep this in for a whole day, like basically 2 days. So today, all of tomorrow, and then I'm taking it out the next day for you guys. So I want as much product as possible because my hair does absorb the product quickly after a few days, so I want to put as much as possible so that it's not too dry when I take it out. Almost forgot to add my Shine Jam. Put it at the root, kind of comb a little bit of it through my hair, and then I start twisting. It just sure rings up. Combing out the section. When you put all the product in before you actually separate it, like not just putting it in one little section, it's kind of better. I feel like it just distributes better and it's much easier. So when you actually get to the section, you can just start twisting right away. Ooh. You guys, do not forget to enter my giveaway. Okay. Woo! Okay, so I am done. That was a lot of product here. As you can see, let me wipe my hands off because they're greasy. So as you can see, I am done now. She's done. She has a lot of product. I'm gonna try to keep it nice and clean as possible. Tie my head down neatly and everything. if I do go out, I honestly just, it depends. Like, I usually just like to grab it at the back, leave 2 out. I'll be coming back to you and showing you how I take it out, how I fluff it out, how I stretch it and everything. And I pray it comes out good, because it should. I'm back 2 days later. The shrinkage is again still real. It didn't elongate that much, but they look so like juicy and just good and just nice. And I feel like I don't even need to put that much oil, but I still am gonna put a little on my hands. While doing this, I'm gonna put some olive oil on my hands and then take it out. But it's still pretty like moisturized. It's all that product I use and I like it. It's all dry, everything's good. So I'm just gonna show you how I take everything out and pick it, and let's just get into it. I put some in my hand. This is how much I have. And I like try to find where it unravels itself, but I just unravel it like that. And let go. I try to see where it like goes, where it's not like too much frizz. And honestly, if I plan on leaving the style in for a long time, I just like to unravel it once and then decide how I want it after. So I think I might just do that. This is my blow dryer. I put it on low. So basically I just move my hair out the way and I grab from the root. This is the only time I only use the root. I pull it a little but not too much because I don't want it like that long. Plus I don't want to disrupt the curls. I'm just trying to get the root. And I'll blow it, and I don't keep it on there long because you don't want it on there long, okay? You don't want too much heat on your hair. So you just do it real quick, like you just 1, 2, 3, move, 1, 2, 3, move. And then I'll be back to show you how I use it with the pick. I'll be back. Okay, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but you should. My hair gets so big as the days goes on, so I didn't blow dry it like too much, but you can see the difference from before. It's showing my length at the bottom more here and everything. Like by time, like 3 days from now, this length right here will drop about right here. It never like goes fully because then it's not a real curl. Okay, so yeah, that's just how I do it. I like to play around with it as the days go on. Like, I just put in a little bun, do whatever, high bun. Like, I just love these twist outs. It's just what you prefer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's twist out episode. I hope that you continue to watch this series, and please enter the giveaway if you want to win some free hair products. And make sure you look at the description down below to see how you can enter and follow all the rules, and you definitely will have a chance to win the prize. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.